Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAM training course, and the topic for today will be the CAM machining. This CAM machining is a particular option that we have inside T-Flex CAM. Going to the menu that you already know, CNC, that takes care of all the topics related with the CAM machining. We have this function called CAM machining, and the CAM machining is suitable to machine this type of parts, which we have an example in our screen. This is quite easy to deal with, okay? Basically, we can take care of this in two ways. We can have a CAM profile import, or we can have directly go to the CAM machining option. The easiest one for now, it is CAM machining, and inside the CAM machining simply we choose our solid, we choose one tool file. Let us use the same that we've been using, so it's a round spherical tool, 4mm diameter. Feed rates, allowances, spindles, you know this already. Best type, it's loop. I can create a tool lift absolute 5mm, it doesn't matter. I can create a couple of passes here, 40. This tool vector, it is important because it will define the orientation of the toolpath. So in this particular case, it should be done through the X axis. We can set a distance from the borders. I can say, for example, 1 mil. And I can have a 5-axis transformation chosen, because if this is not chosen, I should insert my tool length manually. So I want to leave this in automatic. And I will increase a little the precision. So calculate it, and it gives a result like this. So you can see in my edges there is a little gap due to this parameter that was distance from the border. So this is very easy to calculate. Okay, very standard, the options, so I think it's very easy. We have this other option, okay. I don't have a profile here, but we have the possibility to import a profile through a file. I don't have it, but basically after the profile imported, this sequence is basically the same. So there is this additional step to import the profile. But anyway, I think it's also very straightforward. So I hope this example, it was clear enough for this type of toolpath. And in case of any questions or if you need any support from our side, give us a contact.